Professional engineering is now the practice of building systems of intelligence that handle their own errors, rather than writing linear, fragile API wrappers. This architecture diagram reveals the daily operational reality of an AI-native engineer. The engineer's true domain is the central orchestration layer. Here, they manage system state, monitor the context window, the maximum amount of information the AI can process at once, and built defenses against prompt injection, where users try to trick the AI into ignoring its instructions. Even quality assurance has evolved into evaluation engineering. Instead of writing simple true or false tests, engineers now use advanced LLMs as judges to grade the accuracy and safety of the production output. English is now the most critical programming language in the software industry. Translating a complex business problem into an unambiguous, executable natural language specification is the highest technical skill you can possess. We are watching the elevation of an entire profession, moving from manual logic labor to high-level architectural design. Engineers who prioritize manual syntax typing will see their market value depreciate, while those who master architectural orchestration lead the next generation of technical development. The transition is already complete. Your professional trajectory depends on mastering these non-deterministic systems.